Customer asked, how to make Shilajit at home, how to use Shilajit. Natural Herbs Shop, Shilajit. Shilajit is not DIY friendly. Making pure Shilajit at home is almost not possible, as it involves sourcing a rare natural substance known as Shilajit stone found in the Himalayan mountains. This rock is formed over centuries through the decomposition of plants under specific geological and biological conditions. Shilajit rock is then processed in GMP-certified labs under strict healthcare laws. Processed Shilajit rock makes Shilajit paste and Shilajit liquid. At Natural Herbs Shop, we do this hard work for you, providing FDA-approved, lab-tested Shilajit directly from the Himalayas to your doorstep. If you are interested in using Shilajit, please visit the Natural Herbs Shop website to purchase high-quality, FDA-approved Shilajit. How to use Shilajit paste. How to use Shilajit paste. Take a pea or rice-sized amount of Shilajit and mix it well into any warm drink of your choice, tea, coffee, or any other warm beverage, once a day in the early morning.